Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to simply create this black and white to color slow motion video edit on CapCut. So first you just need to add your clips and then split the clip to where you want the transitions to happen. I'm going to split in here. Okay, hit split, and then after that click on the first clip and we're going to make it black and white by going to the adjust, lower the saturation of the clip to -50, then increase the contrast to around 15. Okay, now click on a check icon, click on the second clip, and we're going to make it slow. So go to speed normal and slow it down to 0.2 seconds. Click on make it smoother and choose better quality. Now click on a check icon and wait for the smooth slow-mo to apply to the clip. Okay, now so the smooth slow-mo has been applied, and this will be the final result for the video edits. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.